Okay, this property tip is about solid floors. So when you come into a house, it's always worth just banging your feet, as I'm doing there. Seems a bit silly, but just bang your feet and listen to what it sounds like. If it sounds kind of hollow, like a drum, then the likelihood is the floor is a suspended floor and there'll be beams and joists underneath it. That brings its own issues. You've got to make sure that that wood is actually okay and it hasn't got woodworm or rot or all that kind of stuff in it. Now, this is a solid floor. As you can see or hear, it feels hard and it doesn't sound echoey. That brings its own issues. You've got to be very careful about damp and rising damp in this instance. So although the floor itself is beautiful, it's this parquet floor and I would love to keep that. The reality is, I wonder when they built it if they put in a damp proof course. My guess is they didn't. So to actually make it damp proof is a real difficult job. You have to take up all the stuff and dig out the floor. So something to really contemplate. Floors, and not just floors, potentially a problem. Although you do need them so it's not falling through to the middle of the earth. Food for thought.